Traders, we're going to have a quick look at a couple of signals that have been sent into VIP. This one was the pound Aussie. This trade was taken off this buy signal right here. We're in the green zone, so you can see the green shaded zone from this point back in here. You can see it's in and out of the green zone. And I took this trade on the pullback. Now I've got it set up to automatically close 50% when we reach 1R target. We secure 50%, and at that point our stop loss comes up to break even. Okay, so we did that. Stop loss came up to break even, and then it pulled back into the stop loss, and that's fine. So we're already ahead. Those of you manually trading, depending on your stop loss, this stop loss here got away with it. Just see how I've set it up down here at these yellow horizontal on these yellow horizontal lines. Stop loss was slightly under and escaped. So if you're still in this trade, well, this is currently up around 3R, you can see here. So I would encourage you to close this at 3R if you're still in this trade. Okay, so we're running off our signals, our indicators. Just have a look at some of these signals. These are giving us some really nice opportunities. I didn't take that for whatever reason, probably asleep. But, it kicked in here, the green zone. That's the HTF alert. And then we get the buy alert slightly after the HTF, the higher time frame. Bear with me for a sec. I'm just going to increase the color on these. Now you can gain access, if you haven't already, you can gain access to our indicators, to the alerts, and to VIP. So VIP is profitable. It was profitable last week when we kicked off with our new indicators and the strategy with the indicators. Practically every trade has been a winner. Last week was good. This week we officially launched the indicators and strategy from the get-go Monday, and we're 100% profitable at the moment. So the pound Aussie. Now the thing about VIP and my intention with this is to look for the best quality signals. So I want every trade to be a winning trade, every week to be a winning week, and it's not about how many signals are you posting per day. I have people interested in joining VIP, and their main focus is, well, how many signals are you posting every day? Ask yourself this question. If you had 2 signals in a week that were profitable and 15 signals that lost money, which one do you prefer to run with? It's not about how many signals are going in. It's about the quality of the signals and whether they make money or don't make money. At the moment, 1 or 2 signals a day, depending on market conditions. I'm doing daily mentorship videos, and on Monday during the Asian and London session I didn't find anything. Tuesday was difficult in terms of finding an ideal setup through the Asia and into the London Open, but we found something into the New York Open, and it worked out. Let's have a look at another one. So New Zealand yen is another one this week. So again, this one was running off this signal here, and it was a combination of this and this signal that prompted me to take the trade. So you can see an HTF and a down triangle here, and the sell signal here. And the HTF is telling us, you can see this red shaded zone. It starts here and runs through to here. I've got it set up so that it's relatively subtle on the chart, but I'll show you this. Go into settings. It's the HTF and the background color here, right? So we can bump that up. So that's the red zone that I'm talking about. We'll just increase it a little bit, and the green zone, bring it up. All right, so once this red zone kicks in and we see a sell signal, not all of them. I'm not going to take all of them, but I mean, look, let me just show you what's possible with this. There's a sell. This went into VIP. We closed 50% at 1R. Stop loss moved to break even, but I've actually got a trailing stop loss set up on this, and the trailing stop loss got taken out. That's fine, because I tell you what, we're in the money, we're mitigating risk, and I'll show you something in a minute. So short position right on the signal here, stop above. I'm always going to look to take 50% at 1R. Okay, so there's a trade that worked out. Let's just go back here, and as I've been pointing out in VIP, we're looking for the opportunities when we get the pullback, preferably get the pullback into equilibrium. In this case, pullback into equilibrium is right here where we took the trade. Equilibrium being 50% of the previous price swing. But I mean, look at these opportunities. These are the opportunities we're looking for when the higher time frame, the 4 hour or the 1 hour, is pulling back. So we get this swing and a retrace. That's the opportunity right here. And then when the signals kick in, we've got HTF, we've got the sell. It's all happening around here, guys. And I mean, look at the outcome, right? So you can take 50% at 1R, pull the stop loss to break even, and that reached down to 3.6R. So this is what I was going to point out earlier. Like if we, for example, jumped on board this signal here, stop above. Now, stop loss comes down to break even, and we can run with this. So we're setting a 3R target by default. So when the stop loss is moved automatically to break even, and in this case, you know, after we've taken 50%, all right, stop loss to break even, then the 3R target, it's set and forget. We just let it go. And I can tell you there's going to be a few of these that run into 3R. So we've got 50% of the position going to 3R. Right, I'm thinking that we're probably going to, I mean, the win rate's going to be pretty high. It has been since we kicked off with this strategy. It's been really good. And, you know, you want some of these opportunities. Look at this, guys. Look at these. Which one of these would you not want? Short position, sell. You know, we're in the red zone here. Stop above. You know, and you can even add to your position if you want to. See, and this is a situation where a stop loss at break even wasn't touched. And there's another 3R, you know what I mean? And that's the kind of thing we are running with at the moment, guys. VIP is pumping. And I've mentioned this in a previous video. VIP is only $29.95 a month. That's shouting me a sushi train lunch once a month. It's going up very, very soon. And I encourage you, you know, if you like what you see here, snap up this opportunity and lock in $29.95. Yeah, there's 3R. Lock in $29.95 while it's heavily discounted. And again, I want to point out, it's not about how many signals are you posting. No, it's about the quality of the signals and how much money we're making. That's the key. Lately, I've been posting 2 mentorship videos a day. And what I'm doing with the mentorship video is I'm looking through the alerts. I'm looking at these and I'm going into each opportunity, why I'm not taking it, why I'm taking it. And the mentorship videos are covering the trades we're taking in VIP, so you're getting a full trading course. Guys, $29.95 is ridiculous for the value that this is offering you. It's going to go up. And, you know, I don't want you to regret the fact that you haven't jumped in and snapped up the opportunity. In any case, to be continued, and I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.